Ultimate Fat Burning Elixir. If you're trying to lose weight, don't go anywhere. I have an amazing elixir to share with you today. Why lose weight? Carrying excess weight can lead to serious health issues like high blood pressure, diabetes, and a weakened immune system. This elixir will help boost your metabolism and burn that stubborn belly fat. Ingredients and benefits. Matcha tea, one of the healthiest teas packed with antioxidants like epigallocatechin gallate. It boosts metabolism, blocks fat, and contains L-theanine to help you relax and sleep better. Black pepper contains piperine, which enhances metabolism and prevents fat accumulation. It also increases good cholesterol. Turmeric, rich in curcumin, a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound that suppresses fat tissue growth and regulates sugar levels. Cardamom, a digestive stimulant and diuretic that boosts metabolism and reduces water retention. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, which increases body heat production and calorie burning. Honey, an antibacterial and antiviral agent that improves cholesterol and triglycerides and helps release melatonin for better sleep. Lemon, high in vitamin C and antioxidants, it promotes good digestion, detoxifies the liver and lymphatic system, and speeds up metabolism. Elixir recipe. Elixir recipe. You'll need 1 cup of hot water, 10 ounces, 1 teaspoon of matcha, green tea 1/4 teaspoon of ground turmeric 1, pinch of black pepper 1/4 teaspoon of ground cardamom, a few dashes of cayenne pepper juice of 1/4 lemon raw organic honey or natural sweetener to taste. Instructions. Mix all ingredients except honey in hot water. Wait a few minutes, then add honey to taste. Drink this elixir about 1 hour before bed. 1. Exercise regularly to enhance fat burning. 2. Avoid sugars and refined carbs. 3. Drink plenty of water. 4. Eat fruits and vegetables for fiber, which will keep you full and boost your metabolism. Try this elixir and see the changes in just a few days. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.